Test drive the 2014 Pilot. Optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, multifunction display. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.